today's video we will see how to fix a Navien error code 438 on tankless water heater. Quick diagnosis fix. So fix 1, check the water filter. Turn off the water heater and close the water supply valves and locate the cold water inlet filter. Now remove the filter and rinse away any drips, the sediments or scale build up. Then reinstall the filter and restart the unit. Fix 2. Inspect the circulation pump. So turn off power to the unit, listen for unusual noise from the pump, check for loose wiring connection and verify that the pump is not seized or blocked. Fix 3. Verify water supply. Make sure the cold water supply valve is fully open. Now check for kinked or blocked water lines. Confirm that your home water pressure is within the recommendation range. Then ensure no plumbing valves are restricting flow. Fix 4. Check the flow sensor. So turn off the heater, then locate the flow sensor assembly, inspect for mineral deposits or drips and clean the sensor if necessary. Then replace the sensor if it continues to malfunction. Fix 5. Reset the water heater. So turn the unit off and wait about 30 seconds, then restore power. Now press the reset button if available and run hot water and monitor the display. The fix 6. Contact Navien support. If error 438 persists after cleaning the filter, checking water flow and inspecting the circulation pump, professionally service may be required. The circulation pump flow sensor, wiring or control board may need advanced diagnosis or replacement. So goodbye and thanks for watching.